What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name. Now keep in mind guys that you can only change your Facebook name every 60 days, right? So you want to be careful when you change this so that you don't make any mistake, because you'll have to wait another 60 days, right? So go ahead and open up your Facebook app guys, and once you're inside the Facebook app, click your profile with the three lines at the uppermost right hand side. Then you want to go ahead and click on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Right from here guys, you want to go ahead and tap on the account center there, and as you can see it says meta account center, so you want to tap on that. Then tap on profiles at the top there. Right, then from here guys, you will have a bunch of profiles. Might be if you have your Instagram connected or you have multiple accounts, then you will see all of those accounts, but you want to click on that profile that you want to make the name change for. So let's say I want to do the first one. I'll tap on that. From here you have all the information. You have the name, you have the username, you have the profile picture, the avatar. Just simple tap on name, and then from here you'll be able to see your first name, middle name, last name, and you can simple tap on there and do a remove, and you can change it to whatever you want. And then once you finish, just simple tap on review change, and from there you'll be able to change your name successfully. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.